What's up, guys? Just another day in the kitchen. You know what's about to go down. You know why we're here. Most importantly, you would know if you were following us on our Instagram. I'm only going to shout this out one time. We don't cook food. Instagram, Twitter, make sure you follow us. But back to what I was saying. Hold on, man. We're not all... You know what? Hold on. Before I even go any further, forget about that. We're not messing with Off-White today. Today is a Yeezy kind of day. Back to the familiar box. If you guys don't know, today is December 27th, I'm pretty sure, which is release day. Yeezy release day. You already know I had to wear my favorite pair of Yeezys for such an occasion, but this is a shoe that people were super excited about when we first posted about it. Got a lot of hype, and then really did not live up to it in terms of resale value anyway. When I first posted this, one of the best posts we had on our Instagram, shout out to everybody that checked it out, resale was around 1,000 or so. People didn't really know whether it was going to be all reflective or not, but right now it's going for about 300, which, isn't the best, but I don't know. I guess we'll dive into these and see if they're really worth the hype. But without further ado, we're about to check out the Yeezy Statics. Alright guys, as always, we want to start off with the box, make sure everything's legit. Just for you guys always, if you ever want to use any of our videos, definitely use it as a legit check. This is what it should look like. These are straight from Finish Line today. Got the Yeezy Boost. Super excited. Not much has really changed with these. So this is just a size 11.5. Just so you guys could see. These have the EPC code included. Don't want to speak on the youth sizes yet, grade school. Not sure whether they do, but check it out. This is what it looks like. Again, these are from Finish Line. Nothing on this side. Of course, we have this here. Let's see what's going on. Alright guys, let's check it out. And straight out of the box, got me saying glee like I'm Kodak Black. Shout out to Florida, we're winning. The Yeezy Statics, Yeezy Boost 350 Statics. Wow. This is my first impression as you guys are seeing it. Just a quick pass over before I give you guys more detailed views. Damn. I really like, okay man, this is really vivid. I really like this sole. I really like the color of this. I wouldn't say it's necessarily white right here on the pull tab. These laces look crazy right now. I want to show you guys what they look like with the flash on so you guys could see. So this is translucent, by the way, once I give you guys a pass through. But yeah, man, not too bad. I don't know why they really tanked. I mean, it's always about how many pairs there are, and StockX definitely changed the game for the worse, so no thanks to them. But yeah, I'm about to do the close-ups for you guys just so you guys know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and let us know. Are you guys liking them? Were you able to cop? Let's see. So yeah guys, I hope this review helped you decide if you want to cop them or not. They're fairly cheap. Definitely hit us up if you're looking for a size. But what do you think? Did they live up to the expectation? Comment your favorite Yeezy as well. Super curious, especially with how many that have released. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. More content coming soon. Thank you guys for cooking with us, and let us know if you copped. Have a good one.